Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of YouTube TV and you've got an Apple TV sitting on your shelf, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get YouTube TV up and running on your Apple TV. Whether you're catching up on live sports, news, or your favorite shows, this setup will have you streaming in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Apple TV is compatible. You'll need at least a 4th generation Apple TV or later, running the latest tvOS. If you're not sure, head to your settings menu and check for updates. It's always a good idea to keep things current. Once you're set, navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV home screen. It's that icon that looks like a big A. You can't miss it. Use your remote to search for YouTube TV. When it pops up, select it and hit download. The app should install quickly, depending on your internet speed. After installation, open the YouTube TV app. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, the one linked to your YouTube TV subscription. If you don't have a subscription yet, you'll need to set that up on a computer or mobile device first. Enter your credentials and voila, you're in. Now, the fun begins. Browse through the channels, search for shows, or start live TV. Customize your settings, like adding favorites or setting up parental controls, to make it your own. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like login problems, double-check your Wi-Fi connection or restart your Apple TV. There you have it. That's all it takes to watch YouTube TV on your Apple TV. It's a seamless way to enjoy cord-cutting entertainment right on your big screen. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.